Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have watched how to create a React app using CRA. So now let's learn how to create React app in another way. Let me so let's close all this. So to create a React app in a different way, instead of using create React app, so we have a format. We have another way like Vite. If we type Vite in Google, so we get first link, which is Vite next generation front end tooling. If you open it, so this in this way we can create a React project in a very simple, quick and faster way. So once we click on get started, so Vite actually supports not only React, it also supports basic JavaScript also, and also P-React, Lit, Svelte, Solid, Quick, and by default it will also give us TypeScript version of same packages as well. So if you want to still stick with create React app, which is okay, and if you want to switch to V, so you get a variety of options with JavaScript and with TypeScript both. So to create a Vite application and as a React app, so we have two options here. One is using npm created latest, and another one is using a template. So we can also specify with that, okay, this is my application and I want my application with a template of React. Both are actually the same. So if we use this, it will anyways ask us, so which project which are we creating, whether it is JavaScript or React. If it is React, it will again ask us whether it is related to uh, JavaScript or TypeScript. So I'm sticking to this particular code. Copy it, go back to your project folder and create CMD. Type CMD here, and this will open the command prompt. And now paste that. So npm create at latest. So enter. So this will take very less time, and now it is asking us to give a project name. So I'll give a project name React Demo 2. Now it is asking us a framework. Though React is not a framework for, but for Vite, React, Quick, or any other related things are there. So for it, it is a framework. So feel free that, to select React or any other language if you want to use and follow the documentation. So in this case, we are only working with React only, and enter. And now it will ask us whether it is TypeScript or JavaScript or Remix. So I'm only sticking with JavaScript for this video, and just enter. Yeah, your project is now ready, and you can also see here that our project is being created. But in previous case, so if we use CRA, create React app, so what happens is whenever we create a new project, so it will also install the dependencies. So what happens is if we do that, so uh, un so dependencies will take more time. So we need to wait for such long period. So hardly 5 to 10 minutes, or maybe less as well. But using V, it will give us the project first, and now and then later it will ask, it will inform us that, okay, now I have given you the project, now it is your turn to install the package and then use the project. So that is what Vite is actually giving us. So now go into the project using cd react demo 2, and now simply open VS Code here by typing code dot. Yeah. And once it is done, now let's read this project file before um, running it. So this Vite React package will give us a file called vite.config.js. So Vite is actually a framework which we can actually say here. So this framework support different libraries. So one library is React, which we are using, and it is being imported from Vue.js plugin itself. And if we go into package.json now, so package.json has only React and React DOM. But if you have watched my previous video, I have also shown one more dependency, which is React script. So if we see here, there is no React script in dev dependencies or dependencies. So how our project will actually work in this case? So this case is in this particular Vite project. So Vite will handle all those things. It will spin up the server using Vite. So Vite only needs a React and React DOM, nothing else. And to start this particular project, npm run dev. So in CRA, it is npm run start or npm start. Right. So first, let's install the packages, and then let's see what all files we get with this particular Vite React. Open terminal, click terminal, npm i, npm install, both are same. So you can use npm install as well. Feel free to use it. By the time it get installed, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please motivate me to record more such videos like this and help you better. And also please post in the comments which project you want to see next. Vite React takes very less time in the terms of installation of packages and all, and also execution is also very fast comparative to create React app, which I'll show in couple of minutes once the packages are being installed. Very rare, it takes very rarely it takes time to install packages. If any particular package is having more files, so it might take a couple of seconds more. But majorly, installation of packages is faster comparative to create reactor, which you can check simultaneously on your same machine itself. Now as the packages are being installed, now try to see uh, files and folder structure of this particular project. Let me close this terminal here. Yeah, okay. So in this case, if you see index.html is outside the public folder. So in the previous one, index.html was inside public folder. Let's open index.html here as well. It's basic template again. Truth. So even Vite React also uses the same code, which is divide root, because which is the default one. Uh, we can try and test it out by changing divide root to some other IDs as well. So uh, there's no harm in it if we do that, but if you know how to face issues, if we after changing it, then you can try using it. If you're not aware what kind of changes or what kind of errors or warnings you get, then stick to the basic or the syntax or the format what React team has designed for it. And the another change with Vite React we get is the script file. In the with the core React team, we don't get a script tab called main.jsx, because this div id root is directly linked to index.js, which is in the source file. So that is how they have designed the CRA template. So Vite team has designed this template in this format. Right. So now let's see what is there in public folder. If we just open public folder, we just get a simple logo, which is Vite SVG. Now let's open source file as well. Source file also have same thing, but there is no test file, there is no web vitals files and all. Even if we see package.json as well, we only get React and React DOM and related to Vite and React only. So why there is no test package? Because we are only building React template. We are not testing anything. We are not testers here. We are developers. So we provides us related to development plugins and dependencies in this. So if you're using any testing package, we need to install it additionally using npm install. So that is how you can test the project. So in this case, we can only develop it. If you're using any testing package, you can use it. If you need to configure it related to testing, yeah, you can do that. So index.html is divide root. So this is linked with main.jsx. Let's open main.jsx and see how it is being designed by Vite team. Inside source, we see main.jsx, which is similar to index.js here. Same, exactly. The only difference is there is no web vitals importing and web vitals code and all. So except that everything is same in main.jsx. Only file name is different, but code styling is same. There's no change in it. And if I open app.jsx, so app.jsx, so it is written in a different format, because V team has created a different template using Vite React, which has a basic div, which has a basic div and two anchor tags, and there is a button and text, basic text, and index.css and app.css, which was there in both CRA and Vite as well. Okay, so let's now start this project and see how it looks like. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So to execute or to run this particular Vite React, so type npm run and say dev. So this actually takes very less time, and yeah, so before completing it, the project is now ready, and just click on this localhost 5173. Okay, so before going to browser, so Vite React has a different port, works on different port, which is 5173. CRA template, basic React template works with the port number 3000. So we can actually change the port number 5173 to 3000 as well. We need to do a couple of changes in the Vite configuration in order to do those things. So, but in this case, we are not doing any changes and all. So we just want to see how Vite React project can be created and how we can run that particular project. Localhost 5173. Yes, so this is how the Vite React template looks like. If you still have any questions, please do uh, write your questions in the comment section, and I'll give a reply to it. So this is for the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and please motivate me to do more such videos, content, and post it on the channel. Thank you.